everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Nick here, 45 Degree Sailing. Now we are down here in Dubrovnik. One thing, even though we've lived in Croatia for 4 or 5 years, we actually have never walked the wall in Dubrovnik. So today we're going to walk the wall. Now we're here at the moment, it is April. And also we're in that sort of pandemic season, so there is very few tourists around. So it's a brilliant time to come and do it, and I'm really excited about it. Now, if you're here on a 1-day stay or a 3-day stay, you go to the information center, you can buy a Dubrovnik card. Dubrovnik card is 250 kuna for the 1 day, and that will give you access to the wall walk, the fort up on the top here, and a bunch of museums, travel by bus around the town, and a few other perks in there. So if you want to just walk the wall and go see the fort, it's 200 kuna, and you can buy that at the gate. Alright, so we're going to go check this out. If you have any questions about any of that, please put them in the comments below and enjoy the tour. Okay, so the entrance to the wall tour is just inside the Pillar gate, and you access that wall from this point here where you take it up the stairs. You can buy your tickets here, and this is located just by the cathedral and the Stradon, which is the main walkway in Dubrovnik town. So let's get up on that gate.
Thank you. Hvala. Really nice.
And good to know you are allowed dogs up here on the wall as long as they're on a leash at all times. So the wall system is a one-way thing. You go anti-clockwise around the old city, because of course you can get a lot of people up here, so you don't want to be pushing against the grain. It's just a slight testament to the fact that it can get very busy here. There's a traffic light, but it is truly a magnificent view from up here, straight down the Stradon. I'm looking forward to this. Another thing to note is to definitely bring yourself a bottle of water, sunscreen, all of those things, and a jacket on a cooler day, and there are toilets available to use. Now, if you are afraid of heights, I'd suggest just being aware that you're going to be up pretty high. Up to the highest point, which is super cool. This is called the Tvrđava, or the fort. So, Minčeta, Tvrđava, Minčeta. Amazing experience. Like, there's certain things you do and they are, I hate the cliched words, it's truly magical, but it is. It is absolutely amazing. It is breathtaking, it is beautiful, it is stunning being up here on the wall. Now, I've walked the city dozens of times in our time here, and being able to see the context relative to where I've been walking before, seeing the whole city from the high view up top, just absolutely breathtaking. I would 100% recommend this. So it's 200 kuna, that's like 25 euros or something like that. You're going to do it in about an hour and a half, 45 minutes to an hour and a half. I will not show you all of it. I'm just going to give you these sneak previews to make you want to come and do it. So look, if you have any questions about the walk information, anything like that, put them in the comments below. If you like the video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to see more of amazing Croatia and our adventures here at 45 Degree Sailing. Thanks for watching, and we're probably going to go for a swim. So next stop today has been this fort that looks over Dubrovnik city. You get entrance to this with your ticket to the wall, and it is a beautiful experience. It's so solid, like you can imagine this withstanding a siege, and I know this well from a very cool video on YouTube where Halsa, the cellist, plays on the top here, and I'm going to go up and see exactly where he did it, but this is super cool.